Hi guys, welcome to my channel Psychic Sun Tarot. My name is Jyoti. Guys, this reading is to find out whether what's happening between your person and the third party. Now this reading is only and only for people who are sure that your partner is with a third party. Okay, so do not doubt your partner unnecessarily. If you feel that your partner is innocent and they are not involved with any third party, then this reading is not for you. So this reading is only for people who are sure that the person is involved with a third party or they have something with somebody else. Okay, so please be very sure before you watch this video. Okay, I don't want you to doubt on your partner unnecessarily. Okay, follow your intuition. If your heart says yes, you have a message here, you go ahead and watch this video. If your heart says no, there is no message here for you, please don't watch this video. Okay, so please keep that in mind. And guys, this is a timeless reading. Even if you watch this after a year or 2 years, you will have a message and this will resonate to you. Okay, so as usual guys, I have kept two piles here. Okay, group number 1, group number 2. We will see what's happening between your person and the third party. Will they come back to you or will they be with the third party? So we will see what's happening in your relationship with your partner, you versus your partner, and your partner versus the third party. In this reading, we will see whether your person is going to choose you or the third party. So we will see who do they really love. Do they love you or the third party? So as usual, I have kept two piles here, group number 1, group number 2. I would request you to follow your intuition, follow your heart and choose any one pile. Be very careful while you select the pile, because this is an important reading. I don't want you to get a wrong message through a wrong pile. So you can pause the video for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, meditate on the pile and then choose a pile. Okay, and please keep in mind guys that this is a general reading. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you. Okay, so take whatever resonates and leave the rest. So you can go ahead, pause the video, meditate on the pile and choose your pile. Alright, so I'm going to meet group number 2 in your reading. I'll start with group number 1. Okay, so let's see group number 1. What's happening between you and your person? Oh my god, these cards are... So I think I will take this. 1, 2. So let's see what's happening. We will keep your cards here and your third party here. We'll keep you versus your person here and your person versus third party here. So let's see what's happening. Okay, this is the third. Let's see. I will take all the cards and then I will do your reading. This is King of Wands. Let's see what messages do we have for you, group number 1. Okay, 2 of Cups. Okay, so 6 of Pentacles, 5 of Cups, and the Fool. Okay, so these are your cards. I'll keep it here. Let's see, we'll shuffle and we'll see what's happening between you and the third party. Sorry, your person and the third party. Okay, so the first card that I get is 8 of Wands. Okay, so I think I'll take these two, the Hermit and 4 of Wands. Knight of Swords. Please give me a message. Okay, this is the Ace of Cups. Okay, I've got so many cards. Queen of Wands, Page of Cups. One card more, please. Please give me one more card. One more card, please. Okay, so 10 of Cups. Alright, so I've got all the cards here. I hope you can see the cards properly. This is group number 1, the White Stone. Just give me a moment, guys. Let me read the cards. Okay. So guys, as far as your person is concerned, now do they love you? Yes, this person does love you, but then they are not sure about it. This person is confused between you and the third party. This person, they care for you. The person that you are involved with, they care for you, but I don't say that this person loves third party also, because it's all new, so everything is glorified. It's all new, a new relationship, everything is so fresh, so new. So that is why they are more drawn towards third party. But they know that you are a person who will stick to them right till the end of their life. Okay, they know that. They know that they can trust you. They can trust you, they know that. Now so let me start with you guys. Then I will go and proceed further to what does your person think towards third party. Now as far as does your person love you? Yes, they do love you, but then they are confused. You see the Two of Pentacles, this person is confused. They don't know whether they have a future with you or not. This person is confused. Some of you, I feel that maybe you're not in talking terms, or maybe you're not talking to each other, or there is minimal communication between both of you. Okay, I do see that maybe you're not talking to each other. That could also be the thing. This person is not talking to you, or they may not be messaging you. You may feel that this person has withdrawn from you. For some of you, I do see that you are not even in touch with each other. Why? Because look at this. We have the Four of Swords. This person is confused what to do. This person wants you to work on this relationship. Okay, they want you to work on this relationship. This person is somebody, they know that you will do anything to make this relationship work. So I don't know why, in some cases I feel that this person wants you to take action. Okay, this person is somebody who wants you to chase this person. Okay, this person is a runner and you are the chaser. This person wants it that way. So this person is somebody, because I do see that their heart is more connected to this person rather than being with you. They see marriage with the third party. Okay, marriage and happy stuff with the third party. But please keep in mind, guys, these are current feelings. Okay, this may change. So we will see what are the probable outcome. This may change. Okay, so as of now, this person is confused. They don't know whether to be with you or to choose the third party, and they are still stuck with both of you. So they are not going to take any decisions right now. As far as what they want from you, this person wants you to work on this relationship. This person wants you to chase this person. I do see you are madly in love with this person. Okay, you feel that this is your soulmate. You love this person too much. Okay, the love is, look at this, we have the Two of Cups here. We did not have Two of Cups and all the lovers here. We have Two of Cups here. So your relationship is a karmic relationship. It's a divine relationship. You have a karma history with this person. Okay, so you have a karmic relationship with this person. What do you want is, you want an equal give and take in this relationship. I think you guys feel that you have been working so hard towards this person all this while, and this person doesn't do anything. So you want this person to take efforts towards you. You want this person to invest in you. Now as far as the outcome is concerned, group number 1, we have the Five of Cups with the Fool. Okay, This person is somebody, they don't know what should they do. You know what? The thing is that in spite of being with you, this person is thinking about this third party. You see, as far as the outcome is concerned, you see we have the Five of Cups with the Fool. This means that your partner, in spite of being with a third party, they are still going to think about you. Look at this, we have the Two of Wands here. This person cannot, your relationship is a very, very strong relationship. So in spite of being with a third party, this person is thinking about you. They are not happy in their life right now. Look at this. Where are they? Four of Swords and Five of Cups. This is their energy. They are so unhappy. They may be with a third party. Okay, they may be having a good time, but at the end when they are alone, they think about you. They cry for you. Cry in the sense they do miss you. They think about all the good times that they have had with you. This person is somebody, I feel right now they are in a place where they cannot take any decision. They're confused, they're stuck. They have just surrendered everything to the universe and they are going with the flow. Look at this, we have the Fool. This person is going with the flow. They feel this person is guilty of hurting you and not treating you right. Group number one, your partner is guilty. Okay, they are guilty about something. They are guilty that they have hurt you. They are guilty that they are not investing enough towards you. This person is not happy right now, guys. They are not happy. Okay, because they know that they have done something wrong. So yet at the same time, as far as the outcome is concerned, I feel that this person is someone who wants to move forward in life, and as far as I feel, this person wants to move forward with a third party. Okay, but then they are still confused. Now these are the current energies and this may change. Okay, because many of you, the probable outcome cannot be 100% set on stone right now, because general reading, it's a general reading, so the probable outcome will be different for each of you. But as of now, what I feel is this person is going with the flow in life. They don't know what to do. They're confused. They are happy sailing on two boats. Okay, this person is happy sailing on two boats. They don't want to take any decision right now, so they're just going with the flow. They don't know where are they going in life, but then they're going. Okay, that's the energy. As far as your partner and the third party is involved, I think they met through online. For many of them, I feel that this person may have met the third party either through online, or this could be somewhere out at workplace, something like this. Now this person is somebody, they feel that their life has become beautiful after meeting this third party. There is something new that they are feeling with this person. Okay, this person was bored in this relationship with you, so they feel that this relationship is very exciting, so they are very happy right now. But in spite of being happy, mentally happy, they are internally not happy. They are mentally happy, they may be physically happy with this person, but internally, their intuition is not letting this person have a good sleep in the night. Because look at this, Five of Cups and Hermit. This person is thinking a lot what to do. This person is in a place where they are like, am I doing right? Is this person right? This person is in a place where they are thinking. This could be overthinking. This person is overthinking. What should they do? Should they be with the third party or should they choose you? That kind of energy. Now Four of Wands. In some cases, I feel that your person may be involved with somebody who is already married, and this person wants marriage with this person. I feel that this is coming across as very strong. This person wants to marry this third party. Okay, they want to marry the third party. They want to have family with this third party because they are very serious. Okay, they are very serious with the third party right now. Now, this person, I feel the third party takes your partner for granted. I don't know, for some of you, I feel that the third party is dominating and they take your partner for granted. Now, because of which your person is not happy. They want the third party, but in spite of they wanting the third party, they are not happy with the third party. So they feel that third party should invest more, whereas the third party has feelings for your partner more than, see, this Ace of Cups is for your third party. This third party they do love your partner a lot. They are highly attracted to your partner. Maybe your partner is good looking, or I do see that their chemistry is very strong. Okay, so a lot of physical attraction between both of them. So maybe third party is attracted to your partner physically more than emotionally. So this is all new love. So third party is going with the flow. They are not serious about it. Okay, as of now I don't see third party very serious towards your person, but I do see that this relationship with the third party is getting better day by day. Here in your case this relationship is getting sour. Okay, but I do see that this relationship is getting better day by day. So I'm sorry to tell you guys, for most of you I feel, so for 50% of you I feel this person, your partner, may move away with the third party. For the other 50% of you, this person will rethink. Okay, rethink. Yeah, because somehow as far as you are concerned, this person is not sure, not happy. Look at this, 4 of swords, 2 of pentacle is by your side, 4 of wands, 10 of cups, ace of cups, and the page of cups is at their side. So this person is somebody, they will go to any extent to please the third party, but I don't see them taking any action towards you. This person will go to any extent to please the third party, but I don't see them taking any action towards you. So I'm sorry to say this guys, but for most of you I feel that this person either will continue to be in the third party relationship for some more time, and for some of you maybe this person goes forward with this person. Okay, or they get married to this person, that, or they may have already married this person. So that could also be the thing here. Maybe some of you may have chosen this pile thinking about your ex-husband, ex-wife, or ex-girlfriend, ex-boyfriend. Okay, so maybe that person is already married to third party, or they are going to marry this person. As far as you are concerned, this person is not very sure. Like there are chances. Okay, there are chances of this relationship reviving with you, but the chances are only for 20 to 30% of you. Because see, I feel, look at this, 4 of swords, 5 of, it's like even if they are with you, they will think about the third party. That is the energy. In spite of being with you, they are going to think about the third party. So what's the point in having a person in your life who will be physically with you but mentally they will be somewhere else? There's no point in having a person like this who will be physically with you but mentally they'll be with somebody else. Okay, so yes, I don't know why I feel guys that this person, your partner, they are more drawn towards the third party, and this is something, I don't think they are doing it on purpose. Okay, I know that this person is wrong, but somewhere I feel that this is happening all as per the divine will. I just feel that this is happening. It's like, sometimes we all go through different chapters in our life. Maybe for some of you, your chapter with this person is over or is going to get over. That is why this person is heading towards somebody else. Okay, that is why universe is preparing you mentally. Okay, the universe is preparing you mentally so that you get ready for separation in the near future or something like this. But please keep in mind that the separation is not sure. Okay, you still have that 20 to 30% chances. For some of you, yes, this relationship may revive, but the chances are 20 to 30%. Okay, for the others of you, I will still pull one more card. Okay, I'm going to do it again. Let me see. I'll see one more card for you. Let's see, will your person choose you? Will your person choose you? Let me pull one more card for you. Let me see. Okay, see, what have I got is the Chariot and 5 of Swords. What does this mean? This means that this person, if they are with you, they'll continue to be with this person. Because look at this person is going to hurt you. They are going to hurt you. They are going to be nasty day by day. You will have conflicts between both of you. This person is not going to treat you right even if they are with you. So you will feel hurt. That is the thing. For some of you, I strongly feel that if in case they choose you or they be with you, they'll continue to be with the third party also. So I don't think you will be happy in this situation. Okay, who will be happy in this situation? Okay, so in case if this person wants to leave, guys, if ever this person would want to leave, let them leave. I don't think you should force them to stay. There's no point. Maybe you are destined to go through a new chapter. There's somebody new who is going to come your life. There's somebody new who will enter your life. Look at the Chariot. So I certainly see there's someone new who will enter your life. in case if this person goes away from your life. There is a new chapter waiting for you, for some of you. So don't get disheartened if this person goes away from your life, or if you both break up in the near future. Don't get disheartened. You have someone new entering your life. You are destined to go through a new chapter soon, okay? As far as the third party is concerned, see, look at this. This is what they want with the third party. They want to marry. And that has come here. See, in spite of being with you, this person is stuck with the third party. There's no point. Okay, I'm sorry guys. Please keep in mind that this is a general reading. It will not resonate to all 100% of you. So take whatever resonates and leave the rest. So this was your reading, group number 1. I hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, do like, share, subscribe, and do leave a comment below and let me know how did this resonate. I love you all. So that is it. You guys take care. I'll proceed further to group number 2. Okay. Welcome group number 2. This is for people who chose pink stone. So let's see. We'll shuffle all the cards. We'll pull all the cards and then I'll do your reading. Give me a message. This is for group number 2. This is for group number 2. Give me a message for group number 2, please. Group number 2. Okay, we've got the first 2 cards. That is the Moon, the Empress. Okay, alright, so we have got the other cards also. So this is Page of Wands, Page of Swords. We have got 10 of Cups, King of Wands. 2 more cards for group number 1. Okay, I think I asked for 2 more cards and I've got 2 more cards. So I've got the 8 of Cups and 2 of Wands here. Now let me pull more 8 cards here. This is for you and your person. This is for your person and the third party. So I'll pull out more 8 cards. Okay, I think this card wants to come out. Knight of Cups. Okay. 6 of Wands. I have got the Tower. This is 9 of Cups and the Tower. Okay. Ace of Cups. My God. No joke. I think I got Ace of Cups for group number 1 also and in the same position. Okay. This is Temperance. Let's see. Okay. This is 7 of Swords. This is 3 of Swords. Okay. Group number 2. Now these eight cards are for you and your person, and these 8 cards are for your person and the third party. Okay. So give me a moment guys. Let me read the cards and then tell you. Okay. So guys, as far as your person is concerned, do they love you? Yes, this person does love you. They view you, maybe you are married to this person or you have been dating since a long time, but this person right now is not happy. In spite of being with you, this person is not happy. Not happy. They respect you a lot. They know that you are just the person they ever thought of. Maybe yours was a love marriage, a long-term relationship, maybe you both are married. They do respect you a lot. We have the Empress and Page of Wands here. Page of, this person does respect you a lot, there is no doubt. Okay, they view you as the ultimate king and queen, the emperor and empress, that kind of energy. The problem here is this person wants space. They feel that maybe you are over possessive about this person, or in some cases I feel maybe you keep a watch on this person. You want to know everything about this person. Your person feels suffocated. This person feels suffocated to be with. They need space. They want space. They want their own freedom. They want to do something in life and they just want to be free. They are willing to take your responsibility. They are willing to do everything for you, but then they want space. That kind of energy. They don't want you to tie them to you. Even if they are married, maybe this person wants to do so many things. They want to explore other relationship. Okay, but then this person is somebody who will not leave you, come what may. That is because they view you as their second half. They love you for sure. Now as far as you are concerned, you love your partner a lot. Okay, because we have the King of Wands, Ten of Cups, the Empress. You really love this person a lot. You view this person as somebody you can get married to, or you are already married to this person, dating since a long time. Maybe you have a child with this person. Could be anything. Many of you, so many different scenarios. But you are happy with this person. The only problem is you are angry on this person. You're very angry on this person because you feel that this person has cheated you, or this person is somebody who may have left you for somebody else. And of course there is a third party involvement here, so there's no doubt, and that is why I feel that you are angry right now. You're very angry. You are, but still you're not giving up on this relationship. You're very angry. Now as far as the outcome is concerned here, guys, I don't know why I feel, in some cases I feel that this person will come back to you. They cannot live without you because they view you as the ultimate Empress and the Page of Wands, Ten of Cups. So they are not going to leave you. But why I do get this, that in some cases it is you who may leave this person and go out away from this person. Okay, that kind of energy. We have the Eight of Cups, Two of Wands. So this person is not sure about anything right now. Right now they are just thinking, what should they do? Should they be with you, or should they choose the third party? But the problem is they don't trust the third party. This person doesn't trust third party. Okay, they have doubts about third party. They are not sure about the third party, but they are sure about you. This person is somebody, they will go date, have a relationship, but then come back to you. Okay, but in some cases I feel it's you, group number 2, because you are the Empress. You are the Empress. You are somebody who is empowered, you are abundant, or you are somebody who is strong-willed, or maybe somebody who has a strong personality. You are not going to take this. Okay, maybe it is not your person, but in some cases maybe you may walk out of this relationship, or at least you are thinking. That is also the thing. For some of you, I feel that you feel like leaving this person and going away. For others of you, if you're waiting for this person will not leave you, because look at this. We have the Two of Wands and Eight of Cups. This person is somebody who knows that they cannot live without you. You are someone who may have stayed with this person through all thick and thin. So this person won't leave you. Okay, but I don't know why I sense, but in some cases it is you who may walk out from this relationship. And yeah, but yes, this person is going to come back to you for sure, in case even if they are with a third party. Now let me go ahead and read this. Now what's happening between your partner and the third party? What's happening is, does your person, do they love the third party? Yes, Knight of Cups. Maybe this person is the one who may have proposed third party. This person is somebody who may have proposed third party. They may be the chaser, that kinds. Okay, Six of Wands, Nine of Cups. Yes, this person is somebody who feels that they have arrived after meeting third party. They feel that they are on the top of the world with the 9 of cups. It's like their wish fulfillment. They wished for this person and they have got this person. The problem is this person doesn't trust third party. They have doubts on third party. This person does have a doubt. Look at the tower moment. I think they are having fights, constant fights between both of them. Okay, these guys are having constant fights between both of them because this person, your partner, they don't trust the third party. They want third party to be loyal to this person, but I don't see them trusting third party completely. The way they have faith on you, they do not have that faith on third party. As far as the third party is concerned, guys, we have the Ace of Cups, Temperance. Yes, this is a divine love. Third party, they do love your partner, but then they are not sure. Look at the Temperance. This is divine love. I think when this relationship started, it was emotional, too emotional. I think both of them were madly in love with each other. It started beautifully. Everything was good between both of them. But now things have come to a point where things are not the same anymore. At least the third party is thinking over this. They are not sure. Third party is somebody who is trying to control their emotions. They don't know whether to be with this person or not. This person is confused. Third party is confused right now. They don't know. They're just going with the flow. We have the Temperance here. This person is somebody. Sometimes they feel like giving up on this person. Sometimes they are like, no. Because they love this person, they will continue. That kinds. Okay. Now, as far as the outcome is concerned with the third party, we have the 7 of Swords and 3 of Swords. This relationship will not last long. Okay. Group number 2, this is a good news for you. Your partner and the third party, they will not be in a relationship forever. They are going to break up some or the other day. You know, one of them is going to cheat each other. Either your person will come back to you, they will leave third party and come back to you, or this third party is going to cheat your partner and move away. Okay, because that's the outcome here. They are not going to be in this relationship forever. Okay, so that's the good, because I do see that in some cases I told you that this person will, it is like this person will, what they did to you is going to happen to this person also. It's like karma hitting them back. They cheated you. Now this third party is going to cheat your partner and your partner will come back to you. They will realize their mistakes and they'll come back to you. Because 3 of Swords is very strong here. So this relationship is not going to last forever. Okay, so I do see that this person will come back to you. Alright. Still, let me confirm once again. Let me confirm once again. What is the future? Will this person come back to you? Let's see. Will this person come back to you? I'll confirm it again. Will this person come back to you? We have the Death, Strength, 4 of Wands. Okay. Okay. Now see, guys. I have got mixed answers in this reading also, which is very strange. Now this is trying to tell me that yes, your partner will come back to you, but you may have to wait for a long time. This could be 6 months. For the others of you, it could be 1 to 1.5 years. Alright, 8 months, 4 months. Look at this. We have the Death, Strength and 4 of Wands. You know what, guys, the messages that I get here is you will have to be very strong, because this person will go through this, but it is going to take time. Okay, so you may have to wait. You will have to hold on to this person. You will have to wait for this person. Now the time may differ because it's a general reading, different for different people, but you will have to have patience, patience, so that this person comes back to you. And this person will come back to you after the relationship is over with this person. Look at this. We have the Death. And what do we have here? 3 of Swords. So after this relationship is over, they'll come back to you. Okay, after the relationship, and this relationship may last for 1 year, 6 months, 2 years, we don't know. Okay, because many of you, so different time frames. But this person will come back to you, but it is going to take some time. Okay, and eventually you both are going to be here. 4 of Wands. 4 of Wands is all happy. Okay, you will get back to where you were. You were you were here, 10 of Cups. You were here. So this is what is going to happen. Okay, you both will reunite. You both will come back together, reconciliation, okay, things are going to work in your favor, group number 2. But you'll have to wait for a long time, okay, you'll have to hold on to your strength. Some of you, I feel that you are breaking, or some of you, I feel that you are broken internally. You're broken internally and you're shattered, you are in pain. And for some of you, I feel that it is you who may walk out of this relationship, because one of you, there are chances that you may walk out of this relationship, some of you, okay, I do see that. So this person is coming back to you. We have the 4 of Wands. You are going to reconcile, reunite, all right, but it is going to happen only after this person gets a kick from this person, okay, it's like karma hitting them back. They will realize your value and they'll come back to you, all right. But this relationship is not going to last for long. Of course, everything is beautiful as of now, everything is, I think they are in the best of phase right now, but this won't last for long, group number 2, okay. Alright, so just be happy, don't lose hope. So that was that, group number 2. I really hope you enjoyed this reading, and if you did, do like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate with you. And that is it, you guys. Take care, be safe, bye.